Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. S.P. Sood, retired Associate Professor and Head, Department of Library and Information Science, University of Rajasthan, Jaipur. Today we are going to talk on module Multi-Volume Books in CCC and ACR2R under paper Knowledge Organizational Structure Cataloging. In libraries, most of the books are single-volumed. However, some books are multi-volume, that is, in more than one volume. Multi-volume books are again of two types, type 1 and type 2. In this module, cataloging complexities of all the types of multi-volume books are discussed. Objectives of the module: to define volume and multi-volume books and discuss their various types. Second, discuss the rules of multi-volume books type 1 and type 2 of CCC. Discuss the rules of multi-volume books of type 1 and type 2 of ACR2R. Definition of volume. Ranganathan defines volume in a CCC as several leaves of paper or other material used for recording either the whole or a part of a work, fastened together so as to be opened at any desired place. As such, a volume is an independent physical unit. According to ACR2R, volume means, in the bibliographical sense, a book distinguished from other books or from other major divisions of the same work by having its own inclusive title page, half title page, cover title or portfolio title, and usually independent pagination, foliation or signature. This major bibliographical unit may include various title pages and or paginations. Definition of multi-volume book. According to CCC, book in two or more volumes giving a continuous exposition and for this or for any other reason in the distribution of thought among the volumes, compelling the treatment of all the volumes as an inseparable set, that is, as if they together formed a single volume. In other words, it is a set of books in two or more volumes having thought content in continuation and spread out in such a way that it is compelling to treat all these volumes together. In addition to the continuation of thought, such books also have a common generic title. Author or authors may or may not be the same for all the volumes, and so also pages may be in a continuation or separate sequence in each volume. Each volume is assigned a suitable serial number, for example, volume 1, 2, 3, or volume A, B, C, or part 1, 2, 3. Example: the book Principles of Economics by Professor M.C. Vesh is in two volumes, published in 1975. The Dictionary of Inorganic Chemistry, edited by R.C. Mehrotra in 4 volumes, published in 1991. The book is in 3 volumes. Volume 1 is in 2 parts, published independently. Though ACR2R has not recognized the concept of multi-volume book in the exact fashion in which it has been perceived by CCC, the ACR2R of course makes a mention of multi-part item as a monograph, complete or intended to be completed in a finite number of separate parts. We can thus very well see the difference between CCC and ACR2R at definitional level. CCC speaks of thought content, continuous exposition, while ACR2R touches only the physical aspect. Typically, each physical volume is also a bibliographical volume. That is, the title page and or the cover and half title page of a volume will state that is volume 1 or 2 as the case may be, and every page in the volume will belong to the bibliographical unit, which may be paged independently or be a part of continued pagination. Each volume has its own title page. Diving deep into cataloging problems of multi-volume books, S.R. Ranganathan has differentiated the following two types of multi-volume books. Type 1. The type in which constituent volumes do not have as a special title other than the common title of all the volumes and do not have any other factors that is capable of contributing to the title portion of the main entry. Examples are Advanced Theory of Astronomy by N.C. Sharma. It is in 4 volumes. Machine Design, edited by E. Dixon. Volume 1 and 3 are published. Volume 2nd and subsequent volumes are yet to be published. Multi-volume Type 2. The type in which the constituent volumes have a special title for each or the volumes in addition to the common generic title. Examples of multi-volume Type 2 are Encyclopedia of Banking in 2 volumes. Volume 1, 1768 to 1874. Volume 2nd, 1875 to 1930. Second example is History of India is in 3 volumes. Volume 1 is Ancient India. Volume 2 is Medieval India. Volume 3 is Modern India. The AACR2 again does not categorize the various types of form of multi-volume books or works in manner in which it has been done in CCC. The AACR2R, however, states in general terms that sometimes several such bibliographical volumes are bound together between 2 cases of one physical volume. Each bibliographical volume is apt to have its own title page and may be paginated independently or be a part of continuous pagination. Since there are fewer physical than the bibliographical volumes, both are recorded in the collection to provide an accurate description. While defining the term volume, AACR2R does so in the bibliographical sense. It says that it is a book distinguished from other books or from other major divisions of the same work by having its own inclusive title page, half title page, cover title, and usually independent pagination, foilation or register. For example, reissue in one binding of a work previously issued in 2 or more volumes should be considered a bibliographical volume. Thus, we find that the concept and categorization of multi-volume book is adequately developed in CCC, that in AACR2R its development appears to be unconscious, limiting its jurisdiction to physical getup. Treatment and rendering of multi-volume books in CCC. Multi-volume Type 1 in CCC. Multi-volume books have additional information in regard to title section only. So relevant additions will be made in this section as per information available with relation to its volume. So multi-volume Type 1 is to be catalogued like a simple book with the additional provision in case of following variations. Additional sentence in title portion of main entry will be given, that is number and the term V. It is shown to you by a catalog card giving all the sections of the main entry as well as volume statement. The first section is call number section, leading section, in which class number and the book number of the book is denoted, and book number is connected as K5.1 TO2 K5.2. In second section, heading section, name of the author is given as per the prescribed rules. In third section, because it is a multi-volume book, in third section, title of the book is given, and at the end of title section, the term 2B is added. 2B shows that the book is in 2 volumes. And in the fifth section, tracing section, accession number section, accession number 12345 123346 is recorded as per specific rules. Incomplete set and publication is in progress. If published volumes are available in the library, additional paragraph after title will be given with the term V and number of published volumes and a dash. The additional paragraph will be given in pencil, and you are shown the catalog entry of this book. In catalog entry, in call number section, class number and book number are shown, and after book number, dash indicate that the book is in progress. In second section, in heading section, name of the author of the book is given as per rules. In title section, title of the book is given as per rules, full stop. V1-3- indicates that the book is in progress, and this additional section will be given in pencil. As and when the set is completed, this will be corrected. And in accession number section, accession number of the present 3 volumes 1023-1025 is given. As and when the set is completed, its accession number will also be added. So when all the volumes are received, the pencil portion in the title section will be replaced by the term 5B, 7B, etc. and treated as a complete set. Incomplete set purchased by the library. If all the volumes of the book which have been published are partly possessed by the library, a further sentence is to be added in pencil in square brackets as detailed in the example below. This additional section will be added in the title section. It is shown in the following main entry. In this main entry, D68 is the class number, K8.1 semicolon K8.3 is the book number. Author section, heading section is given as per basic rules. In third section, title of the book is given, edition statement is given, volume statement is given, but out of the 4 volumes, B2 and B4 is not in library, hence it is notated in square brackets as shown in the entry, and this information will be given in pencil. And the fifth section, accession number, is given as per rules. When volume 2 and 4 are added, the portion of the title section is rubbed and numbers included in a book number and accession number will be corrected. In CCC, incomplete and incomplete set purchased by the library, and also publication is in progress. Example 1 shows the volume statement in the main entry. V1-3- indicate that the work is in progress, and within square brackets B2, 3 not in library indicates out of the 3 volumes published so far, only volume 1 is in the library and volume 2 and 3 are not in library. So this information is shown in square bracket in pencil. As and when set is completed, this will be corrected. In addition to the main entries, the added entries, book index entries are to be prepared accordingly, showing the above relevant information in title section. This is shown in the separate entry, which shows first section of the main entry is the heading section. It gives the name of the author of the book. Second section is title section. It shows the title of the book, Basic Audio .ed2 edition second .4v within square bracket V2 for not in library. It means the book is in 4 volumes, and out of the 4 volumes, only 2 volumes are available in the library, and volume 2 and 4 not purchased by the library. And third section, index number section, indicates the class number and book number of the volumes available in the library. Treatment and rendering of multi-volume books in CCC, multi-volume type 2 in CCC. The multi-volume book of type 2 are catalogued like the books of type 1 with additional provision in case of following variations. First, additional paragraphs, one corresponding to each volume that has extra specific information. Each para is to consist of the term V, the number of volumes, a full stop, the special type of the volume, the term by followed by the name of author, a full stop, the term indicating the kind of collaboration followed by the name of distinct collaborators, if any, a full stop, a note in circular bracket to indicate any special feature. Multi-volume type 2 in CCC. In the exhibited entry, the first section is leading section, and in leading section, book numbers are connected by the term 2. They are joined by the term 2. E1 small k is the class number, N12.1 to N12.4 is the book number. Second section is heading section. Heading section has been noted as per the rules. Hofmann, MK 1932 is the date of birth, individualizing element, comma, ED, descriptive word. Because the author of the book is not given, the name of the editor is given. Third section is title section. Dictionary of inorganic compounds, 3 volume in 4. It means the book is physically in 3 volumes, but physically the book is in 4 volumes. And one line of title section is given for each volume. Volume V1, Part 1, Introduction, etc., and Water to Silver. V1, Part 2, Mercury to Boron. V2, Aluminium. V3, Calculation Table, etc. This volume has a Thiel as additional editor. Volume 3 is having an additional editor in addition to the main editor. And fifth section is accession number section. Accession numbers are noted as per rules. Accession number of the first volume dash accession number of the last volume 111420 dash 11423. The CCC is so meticulous in the treatment of multi-volume books so that it even prescribes to the writing of class number followed by a dash if publication is in progress. Similarly, it also prescribes that if some and not all volumes of a set are of abnormal size, undersized or oversized, the underlining etc. is to be done to the book numbers of those volumes only. For example, K2.1 to K2.2. K2.2 is underlined. Here, second volume is undersized. The comprehensive treatment would call for a cross-reference entry in case a guest document appears in any of the volumes of a set. In class index entry, chain will be drawn for the class number of the main entry as well as cross-reference entry. The book index entry will be provided for all such persons, corporate bodies, titles and series associated with the common generic title and the specific titles. The edition and volume information would be repeated in all book index entries. Multi-volume type 2 in CCC. In the shown entry, the first section is leading section, in which class number and book number are recorded as per prescribed rules. In second section, heading section has been recorded as normal rules. In third section, Masters of Political Thought dot B1-2- indicates out of all the volumes only volume 1 and 2 is published and the work is in progress. Section B1-2- indicates the work is in progress. And for each volume in title section, one line is allotted for volume 1 and volume 2. V1, Plato to Machiavelli by M.B. Foster. It is written by M.B. Foster. V2, Machiavelli to Bentham by W.J. Jones. And the accession number section, accession numbers are recorded as per rules. In second entry is prepared for the author of volume 1. Name of the author of volume 1 is Foster M.B. It is recorded in the leading section as per rules. In second section, entry element of the editor set, ed underline, colon, title of the book Masters of Political Thought is recorded. Dot B1-2- indicates 2 volumes have been published and the work is in progress. And volume B, title of volume B is recorded after the term V1, Plato to Machiavelli. In index number section, the class number and the book number of volume 1 is only recorded. In exhibited catalog card, the name of the editor is recorded in the leading section as per rules. The title section is also recorded as per rules. However, volume statement is given B1-2-. It indicates that the work is in progress, and index number section is given as per normal rules. In second entry, which have been prepared for Jones W.T. 1921, who is author of volume 2. In heading section, his name is given, and in title section, the name of the editor of the book is given, followed by designation, colon, Masters of Political Thought, which is the title of the book. B1-2- indicates the work is in progress. 2 volumes have been published and remaining volumes are still in progress. And its title is given Machiavelli to Bentham, and in index number section, after class number, book number of volume 2 is given only. Treatment and rendering of multi-volume books according to ACR 2R. Multi-volume book type 1, complete set. If all the volumes of set have been published and acquired in the library, rule number 2.5b17 prescribes gives the number of volumes of a printed monograph in more than one physical volume. For example, 3b if the book is in 3 volumes, 5b if the book is in 5 volumes. Rule number 2.5b19, if the number of bibliographic volumes differs from the number of physical volumes, give the number of bibliographic volumes followed by in and the number of physical volumes. For example, 8 volumes physically in 5 volumes, 3 volumes physically in 5 volumes. Rule number 2.5b20. If a set of volumes in continuously paged, give the pagination in parentheses after the number of volumes. Ignore separately paged sequences of preliminary matter in volumes other than the first. For example, 2V, the book is in 2 volumes, and within parentheses 19 preliminary pages and total 999 pages. Second example is the book is in 3 volumes, within parentheses preliminary pages 11, 919 pages. Third example is pages numbered 11 preliminary pages, 201 text page, semicolon 16 preliminary pages, 202-608 text pages, 7 preliminary pages, 609 to 919 text pages. Rule number 2.5b21, optional addition. If the volumes in a multi-volume set are individually paged, give the pagination of each volume in parentheses after the number of volumes. For example, the book is in 2 volumes, within parentheses 16 preliminary pages, 3 to 9 pages of first volume, 20 preliminary pages of second volume, 412 text pages. Rule number 2.5d3. If the volumes in a multi-part item differ in size, give the smallest or smaller and the largest or larger size separated by a hyphen. For example, 24 into 28 centimeter. Rule number 1.4f8. If 2 or more dates are found on the various parts of a multi-part item, for example, when an item is published in parts over a number of years, give the earlier and the later or earliest and the latest dates separated by a hyphen. Example, first volume is published in 1975 and the last volume is published in 1977 is shown as 1975-1977. Rule number 21.b2. If the title proper of a monograph in more than one physical part changes between parts, give the title proper of the first part as the title of the whole monograph. If, however, another title proper appearing on later parts predominates, change the title proper of the whole monograph to the later title proper. If the title proper of a multi-part monograph changes between editions, follows the instruction as given in rule number 21.2b1. Incomplete set. If all the volumes of a set have not been published and the work is in progress, ACR2R rule number 1.5b5 prescribes in describing a multi-part item that is not yet complete, give the specific designation alone preceded by 3 spaces. Example, ... small b dot. Rule number 1.4f8. In describing a multi-part item that is not yet complete, give the earliest or earlier date only and follow it with a hyphen and 4 spaces. Example, the book is published in 1998 and the work is in progress, so it is shown by 1998 dash. Optionally, when the item is complete and the latest or later date is also added. For example, 1995-1999. Rule number 2.5b21. Optional addition. If the volumes in a multi-volume set are individually paged, give the pagination of each volume in parentheses after the number of volumes. For example, 24 into 28 centimeter. Rule number 1.4F8. If two or more dates are found on the various parts of multi-part item, for example, when an item is published in parts over a number of years, give the earlier and the after or earliest and latest dates separated by a hyphen. For example, 1975-1977. Rule number 21.B2. If the title proper of a monograph in more than one physical part changes between parts, give the title proper of the first part as the title of the whole monograph. If, however, another title proper appearing on later parts predominates, change the title proper of the whole monograph to the later title proper. If the title proper of multi-part monograph changes between edition, follow the instructions in rule number 21.2b1. Treatment of multi-volume book type 2 in ACR 2R. All the rules prescribed for multi-volume book type 1 will be applicable for type 2 also. Additional rule numbers 2.7b18 is prescribed, which states list the contents of an item either selectively or fully if it is considered necessary to show the presence of material not implied by the rest of the description, to stress items of particular importance, or to list the contents of a collection or of a multi-part item. Partial contents, Public Library Scenario in Rajasthan by S. P. Sood, Chapter 11. The second example is of full contents, Volume 1, Introduction Tables, second, B2, Schedules -B3, Relative Index. From the above analysis, it is concluded that both the codes deal with the problems fairly exhaustively. The CCC, by giving precise definition, differentiating. So students, let us summarize what we have learned in this module. From the above analysis, it is concluded that both the codes deal with the problems fairly exhaustively. The CCC, by giving precise definition, differentiating types and treating each volume along with complexities involved from the angle of day-to-day library work, by taking the idiosyncrasies of publishers in issuing the multi-volume set into consideration fully, strikes at the root and reaps a bumper harvest. ACR 2R, by not giving clear-cut definition, not identifying the various types and treating it at the collation and bibliographical physical level only, beats about the bush. Volume and part have been confused in ACR 2R.